Welcome to this video guys. In this video I will show you how to make this part in SOLIDWORKS by using the sheet metal tools. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK because we are working in a part file. From here change the background to plain white guys, and after that click on top plane and select sketch, and then from here select center rectangle and make a rectangle at this origin. After that now let's define this rectangle, and first define the length of this line as 175 and then define the length of this line as 175 millimeter as well. And after that you can enable the sheet metal tab from here. When you click it, this tab will be enabled. Then select here base flange, and here we need to specify the thickness of this material. I'm specifying at 20 millimeter, and then check this box from here. From here you can specify the appearance, any appearance you like. This is optional. Then select this face and go to edit sketch. Basically I forgot to apply some fillets here, so select this entire area. 10 mm radius is fine. Check this box from here. Now select a circle and make a circle here. Basically we are going to make 4 circles and we will specify the diameter of each. Now select here smart dimension, and the diameter of this circle is 6 millimeter. Press escape button. Now hold control key from your keyboard. Select all of these circles one by one and then make relation equal. Make sure to press the control key from your keyboard. All of these circles will have the same diameter, that is 6 millimeter. Otherwise you can specify the diameter for each circle as 6 millimeter. Now select this face and click on sketch and make a circle at this origin like this. After that specify the diameter of this circle. I'm specifying here as 145. Then select here line from this center point to this center point. These are basically quadrants, yellow colored. I'm making a straight center line. Now since I want many of these lines, so I'm selecting here a linear pattern. Here specify direction 1, this edge. I want this entity to be pattern, and here you can increase the number of lines you want. Here specify the distance. I'm specifying as 10 millimeter, and also I want the same line in the second direction as well. Here you can see this is the second direction, and the same lines, same number of lines. You can change the direction from here, and then check this box from here. And after that select a line, and from this corner to this corner make a line, and we are going to make a cross, so make another one. After that select your trim entities. Make sure that you have selected this power trim and very carefully trim these lines that we have just make now. These intersecting line, very carefully you need to trim these lines. And we are done with it. And after trimming these lines, check this box from here and we are good to go with the vent tool. So in sheet metal we have this vent tool. When we select it in this boundary window, we need to specify this circle, and when we scroll down here we have option for the ribs and spars. In ribs we need to select all of these lines one by one. It will take some time for processing, but I am selecting here all of these lines one by one. You can specify the thickness of these lines. This is a grid tool which is called as vent, and here we can specify the thickness. So you can specify any thickness you like. I am specifying 3.5 millimeter. And in spars, this window spars, I am specifying this cross 1 and 2. And there was one more thing I forgot. Just check this box from here, and in this sketch go to here edit sketch Actually, I want to forgot make a circle here, so I'm making a circle here, and now let's specify the diameter of this circle. I'm specifying 25 millimeter. Then simply exit the sketch from here. This circle would not appear. Right click on this vent and edit feature. Here we have a specific window for that. This is fill in boundary. Just select this circle in this window and we are done with it. Exit the sketch from here, and now let's cut it. We only have to specify the profile for this ventilation system. For that we need to select a 3-point arc. We need to specify 3 points. This is first, second and third point here. From here we need to select this center line and make here a center line like this. Now let's define the length of this center line. By using this we can basically control the 3-point arc. So I'm specifying here as 2, and you can see the profile of 3-point arc is updated. We can change it according to our need and desired by changing the length of that specific center line. And make here a sketch because I simply want to cut it. You can see the whole sketch has been turned into the gray one. When I select the extruded cut, this gray shaded area would be cut. So select here through all and check this box from here, and here is our part, this which is ready. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.